Hi there. Thanks for joining us on Phillip Capital Market Watch. I'm Jeremy Hu from Phillip Futures. Today I'll be sharing on what lies in store for the USD, US Index Dow Jones, and the most commonly traded commodity, gold. I'll be sharing what fundamentals lie ahead, as well as key technical levels to look out for in the coming weeks. When trading with Phillip Futures, you will gain access to a large range of tools and personalized services that would benefit your trading and increase your confidence in placing potentially successful trades. If you're interested in getting started trading with us, do scan the QR code at the end of the video to open your trading account with us. Alternatively, you may contact me personally via my mobile or email to inquire more on our products and platforms. The USD reverses out of a significant downtrend after the Fed turned hawkish in its last meeting in June. The Fed signaled two possible rate hikes in 2023, with talks about tapering their quantitative easing QE program. With the hawkish tilt from the Fed, we could see continued buying momentum from the USD in Q3. A strengthening USD would add more pressure on the major FX pairs. With vaccinations around the globe picking up and strong US economic data confirming a recovering US economy, US markets are recovering, and I'm expecting continued buying momentum for the US dollar as well as for US equities. The US Dow Jones Index reached an all-time high of 35,000 in May 2021, when markets cheered for the US federal monetary stimulus intended to boost the US economy. It soon saw some sell-off shortly after, as the monetary stimulus optimism soon turned into inflation concerns. Markets soon bounced back before another sell-off last month in June after the Fed turned hawkish, signaling two rate hikes and tapering of its QE program. The tapering of its QE program is intended to boost the economy, accompanied with interest rate hikes that fundamentally do not bode well for equities. Since then, equities have recovered as markets soon turned risk on as vaccinations worldwide are progressing steadily. Equities were also boosted by Biden's approval of his $579 billion infrastructure deal, adding additional infrastructure for the country and boosting equities. On a technical note, as long as the index holds the 34,000 level, I see another run to test its all-time high of 35,000 in the very near future. There is also a strong possibility of a move to carve a new all-time high as vaccinations progress. As more citizens are vaccinated, it creates the opportunity for businesses to reopen and economic activity to pick up again. This might be the catalyst to send US equities even higher. If not, we could just see some sideways movement for the index between the 33,000 to 35,000 level. The probability of the index dropping back to the 30,000 level does not seem likely. Overall, I'm bullish on the index, and investors should look for good buying opportunities on the dips around the 34,000 support, with the first target being 35,000, with anticipation for a move beyond that as well. Gold has seen a significant downtrend since mid 2020 when the US dollar surged due to the COVID 19 pandemic, with investors believing in cash is king. The safe haven commodity was further pressured by a risk on market sentiment following the pandemic, with investors shifting into risky assets such as equities or risk on currencies such as the euro or the British pound, which dampened the demand for the safe haven commodity. Gold subsequently rebounded off the low of 1680, the base of the early 2020 breakout, avoiding a fall back to pre-breakout levels of 1500 with a run to 1900. It soon hit stiff resistance at 1900, resulting in prices dropping back down to the low of 1750. The steady hold of the 1750 level resisted a fall back down to 1680. Fundamentally looking bullish, gold held ground against a stronger dollar in June and now edges higher towards the 1800 level. I think a breakout is imminent, and if gold manages to break and stay above the 1800 level, we could see another move to 1900 again. A breakdown to the 2021 low of 1680 seems unlikely for now, and as long as gold remains above the 1750 support, a move to 1800 seems realistic with a continued move to 1900 from there. Investors should look for good buying opportunities anywhere around the 1750 support or buying the breakout past the 1800 level, as we could see continued buying momentum from 1800 to 1900. Reading market updates of the previous day is one part of trading. A more important part of trading is predicting future market trends. I provide market news updates and insights on a daily basis to all my clients. This is to keep them updated on current market trends and anticipated market predictions to increase your confidence when placing a trade. My detailed market report covers the major FX pairs, US indices and commodities, gold and crude oil. The report covers market happenings of the previous day with trading tips on my expected market movements for the day and for the near future. If you're interested or are currently trading these products, what are you waiting for? Open your account with me to receive these exclusive tips. We do offer a large range of futures, CFD, and FX products. Should a product that you are keen on not be covered in my report, I'll be happy to look at the charts and provide you with my views. A weekly economic data table also goes out on every Monday, highlighting the important events and economic data to look out for the week. I also provide clients with high impact new events previews, what to expect on high impact events such as non-farm payroll data release and US Fed meetings. Clients are also notified on any market closures and holidays that will affect market trading hours. I am personally contactable via mobile or email during and after office hours, should I not be contactable. We have several 24-hour hotlines to address any of your issues round the clock. Lastly, if you are new to trading and are interested in getting started trading, my free one-to-one training sessions should be beneficial for you. Contact me now if you're interested. Contact me today either via my mobile or email if you're interested to know more about our products and platforms or have any questions on our Forex, futures, CFD, or options products. Otherwise, if you're ready to open an account with us, do scan the QR code as shown in the screen and I'll be in touch with you very soon to get you started trading. That's all for Phillip Capital's Market Watch. Do remember to like and follow us on social media and subscribe to us on YouTube. Thank you.